Today, I am reviewing Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is a solid choice for anyone seeking a high-performance desktop that blends reliability, power, and modern design. Whether for business, education, or multimedia use, this desktop stands out thanks to its impressive specs and thoughtful build. At the heart of the system is the Intel Core Ultra 7 to 265 processor, which offers a powerful 20-core architecture and a base speed of 2.4 GHz. This processor is designed for demanding multitasking and AI-powered applications, delivering smooth performance whether you are working on large projects, editing multimedia, or running multiple applications simultaneously. One of the most compelling features of the Dell ECT1250 is its 32GB of DDR5 memory, running at an impressive 5,600 megatransfers per second. This means faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and the ability to handle more intensive software without lag. Combined with a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, the system boots quickly, launches applications almost instantly, and offers ample storage for documents, media files, and software. Dell has also built this desktop with expandability and convenience in mind. The tower design includes a toolless entry and removable side panel, making upgrades and maintenance quick and hassle-free. Whether you want to add more memory, upgrade the graphics, or increase storage, this design allows you to do so without complex procedures. For visuals, the Dell Tower ECT1250 relies on Intel UHD Graphics. While this integrated graphics solution is not intended for heavy gaming, it's more than capable of handling daily business applications, creative software, and multimedia tasks. Plus, with support for up to 4 full HD monitors or 2 4K displays, the ECT1250 offers excellent flexibility for productivity setups. This makes it ideal for designers, content creators, and anyone who benefits from a multi-monitor workspace. Connectivity is another strong point. The desktop includes a variety of ports, including HDMI and DisplayPort, and supports the latest wireless standards with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. This makes connecting peripherals, displays, and other devices simple and fast. Dell also integrates smart security features, including a hardware TPM chip to protect sensitive data and a built-in lock slot for physical security. These features make the ECT1250 a reliable choice for business environments where data security is a priority. From a design perspective, the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 combines elegance with practicality. Its sleek black chassis is crafted from sustainable materials and designed with clean lines that fit perfectly in an office or home environment. It's compact enough to save desk space, while still offering robust performance inside. The Dell ECT1250 also comes with 1 year of basic on-site service, ensuring support whenever you need it. Dell's commitment to service, paired with the desktop's performance and upgrade-friendly design, makes it a dependable investment for years to come. In short, the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is a powerful, reliable, and future-ready desktop that strikes a balance between performance and convenience. For anyone looking to boost productivity with a system that supports multitasking, creative workflows, and everyday tasks, the ECT1250 delivers exceptional value. Whether for work, education, or multimedia projects, this desktop is engineered to make every task smoother, faster, and more efficient, all while offering the expandability to meet future needs.